In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself through the process of composing and sending an email using Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the steps smoothly and effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Gmail website by typing gmail.com into the address bar. Once you've reached the Gmail homepage, you'll need to sign in. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your inbox. For those new to Gmail, simply enter your email address and password when prompted, and you should be set to continue. Now that you're in your inbox, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a panel with a variety of sections like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. There's also a red button labeled Compose. This button is your gateway to starting a new email. When ready, click the Compose button. A small window, usually on the bottom right corner of the screen, will pop up. This is your email draft. Here, you'll see fields for the recipient's email address, the subject line, and the main body of your email. Let's start by entering the recipient's email address into the To field. It's always a good idea to double-check this address to avoid sending your email to the wrong person. If you need to add additional recipients, simply separate the email addresses with commas or click on the CC or BCC options for carbon copying and blind carbon copying, respectively. Next, go to the Subject field. This is where you give your email a title or a brief overview of what it's about. Keep it clear and concise to ensure the recipient knows what to expect without opening it. Now move on to the main body of your email. This is where you'll draft your message. Take your time to articulate your points clearly. It's always beneficial to structure your message to cover any salient points, and consider using paragraphs to break up text for better readability. For those who like to personalize their emails, Gmail offers formatting options like bold, italics, underline, and even the ability to insert links or images to enrich your message. Before you hit the send button, it's wise to review your email. Look for spelling or grammatical errors and make sure all necessary information is present. If you're satisfied, go ahead and click the blue Send button at the bottom of the email draft window. And there you go. Your email is now on its way to the recipient. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use Gmail, the more confident you'll become in navigating and using its features effectively. That's it for today's tutorial. Feel free to rewatch or pause as needed, and happy emailing.